Hi, and welcome to this 8th edition of Microsoft Monday. In this video, we will learn how to update our board-provided or personal laptop in order to ensure that the latest drivers and software is installed in order to maximize our experience using Microsoft Teams for quadmester 4. To get started, click on the lower left-hand corner of your screen and click on the Start button. Look for the option called Settings. This will now take you to a screen titled Windows Settings. Look for the button called Update and Security. On the left corner of your screen, click on the option in the navigation bar called Windows Update, and you will have a screen that looks like this. Be sure to click on the button called Check for Updates. And what will now happen is Windows will search your entire laptop in order to ensure that the latest software and drivers are installed in order to optimize their experience using Microsoft Teams. Now, this might take a couple of minutes, and once the update has concluded, Windows will download the software first and then install all of the software which needs to be updated. Please keep in mind that this could take a while. When the software has successfully installed, Windows will now ask you to restart your device. So in the purpose of this example, I'm going to click on the lower left-hand corner of your screen, and I'm going to click on the power button. It's important now that you click on the restart button in order for all of the new software and drivers to be enabled once your laptop has been successfully restarted.